Dear God, I've been trying awful hard to make you proud of me, but it seems the harder that I try, all the harder it becomes, and I feel like giving up most of the time. And dear God, I've been chasing their approval, and it's killing me. And I know the more I try to prove, all the less I have to show. And I'm stuck inside my head most of the time. But if I pray a little harder, if I follow all the rules, I wonder, could I ever be enough? 'Cause I try and try just to fall back down again, and I ask myself, why do I try to chase the wind? I should lean into the mystery. Maybe hope is found in the melody, so I wanna try again. Oh, I'm gonna try again. And dear child, I hope you know how much I love you, and I'm proud of you. And please believe the thoughts I have for you will never change or fade away. When you feel like giving up, I never did. 'Cause I'm not scared of imperfections or the questions in your head. Just know that you have always been enough. 'Cause you tried and tried, and I saw you wrestle every how and every why. I was right there listening. So just fall into the mystery, and I'll meet you here in the melody. Try just to try again. Oh child, would you try again? My child, you can love again.